Hello viewers, welcome to my channel VENUSTECHPULSE. Last class we have discussed control flow of Python control flow statement. Python control flow statement is divided into three types. One is conditional, the second one is iterative, and the third part is transfer statement. So we have already discussed the conditional statement, and today we are going to discuss about the various conditional statement oriented programming and how we are going to solve it. What are the output and what are the code of the various conditional statement. Okay, now we should start. The first program is we have to find greatest of two given numbers. So we have taken two numbers. We have to take two numbers. The first one is n1 int bracket start input enter first number, n2 int input enter second number. So we are taking input integer variable. This is the way n2 is equal to int bracket started input enter second number. This is the way how we can take integer variable in Python. Next, if n1, the value which is present in n1 is greater than n2, then printf biggest number is n1, else printf biggest number is n2. The important thing is that after the end of the if statement there is a colon. We have to put colon, and after else statement we have to put colon. But if you see in the Java or in C, you will never see colon statement at the end of if condition or else condition. This is the difference, a little bit difference in writing Python programming and Java programming. So what will be our output of the first program? Enter first number is 10 and enter second number is 20. So biggest number is 20 because n1 we have stored 10 in n1 and 20 in n2. So 20 is greater than 10 and the else part will executed in this case. So this is the first program. The second program is we have to find the greatest of three number. So same as the first one, we have to take n1 int input enter first number, n2 int input second number, n3 int input third number. If n1 is greater than n2 and n1 is greater than n3, print greatest number is n1. If n2 is greater than n3, then print greatest number is comma n2, and else printf greatest number is n3. So this is the program code of greatest of three numbers. So now what will be the output? The output will be, suppose we have taken a number in 10, 20 and 30. 10 in n1, 20 in n2 and 30 in n3. So 10 is not greater than 20 and 10 is not greater than 30. So n1 cannot be the greatest number. n2 is 20, which is greater than 30. No. So n2 will not be printed. Then last at the else part, greatest number is n3 because n3 is the 30 and which is greatest of greater value than 10 and 20. Okay friends, our next program. We have to check the given number is even or odd. Okay, we have taken n1 int input enter a number. If n1 mod 2 is equal to 0, then printf the number is even number, else the number is odd. Okay, so if we take, suppose enter a number is 10, the number is even, because after remainder operation, modulus operation, we will get 0 at remainder portion. We will get 0 at remainder portion. We will get 0 at remainder portion. 10 mod 2, 10 mod 2. So 0 will be at the remainder position. So the number is even number. Our next programming is whether to check the given number is in between 1 and 100. Good. Then n is equal to int input, enter a number. If n1 is greater than 1 and n less than equal to 100, printf the number is n in between 1 and 100, else the number n means here we have to, in n we have to print the number we have taken in the variable n. Here we will print it and is not between 1 to 0. So if we take the number 52, suppose 52 is greater than 1, less than equal to 100. So what we have to print? We have to print the number 52 is between 1 and 10. Here I have taken enter a number 15. The number 15 is in between 1 and 10. This is the way we are solving the conditional statement, using conditional statement and solving different programming code. So our last programming code is wrap to find smallest of two numbers. Wrap to find smallest of two numbers. So num1, in num1 we have to take int input, enter first number. Num2 is equal to int input, enter second number. If num1 is less than num2, then print smallest number is num1, else print smallest number is num2. So the first number is 15, I have taken as example. Enter first number 15, enter second number 10, smallest number is 10, because 15 less than 10, yes, the smallest number 15 is greater than 10, so number 1 cannot be printed. So the smallest number is number 2, that is 10 is printed. So friend, for today I have explained all the program code of conditional statement, and in our next video we will discuss the iterative statement, and as go on we should thoroughly discuss various programming code along with various programming concept using Python. So please friend, share my channel, like my channel, subscribe my channel, so I should be motivated and I will give you the more videos whatever you like, that is on programming. Thank you.